sheer cane. That and plumb bum lead so dense, heavy falling, that's the game. Plunge makes perfect sense. Plunge, plunge, diving deep and fast, deep and rapid, never built to last. Fall and dive and thrust on down, that's how plunge claims its crown.
Diver off the platform high, stock market crash beneath the sky. Temperature drops through the night, shows plunge in different light. Synonyms that fit so well: dive and fall and nosedive spell. Drop and tumble, thrust and leap, these words all plunge so deep.
Plunge, plunge, diving deep and fast, deep and rapid, never built to last. Fall and dive and thrust on down, that's how plunge claims its crown.
Let's dive deep. Plunge. Plunge. It means a steep and rapid fall or drop, or to jump or dive quickly and energetically. You might say the eagle made a sudden plunge toward its prey, or he took the plunge and started his own business. It can be literal, like she plunged into the swimming pool, or figurative, like the city plunged into darkness. The word comes from Old French plungier, connected to ladder, plumbum, meaning lead. Think of lead's heavy, direct fall. Plunge suggests both steepness and speed, often with purpose or force behind it. The opposites, think rise, ascend, emerge, surface, soar. These words show upward or outward movement instead of the downward thrust of plunge.
But movement can go up instead, rise and soar and forge ahead, ascend, emerge, and surface to these antonyms. Break right through the opposite words, help us see upward motion, flying free. Climb and rocket, rise and flow, these give plunge its antidote. Plunge, plunge down